guys, malabas tayo ng larawan doon kasi
It is full of bad
nagawin
sunshine,
ha.
like red
Gawin
claw.
ito.
Yeah, I know, but I'm a shark tooth. Yes, but you are a nice shark tooth. And you are a friend. You even teach us things you know. Like today, you teach Spike how to use a sniffer to find me. Yeah, I guess. You are a very good teacher, Chopper. You are. Say, if I can teach Spike how to use a sniffer, maybe I can teach Shark Teeth how to be nice. Oh, I do not think that's a great idea, Duffy. You're really smart. I am? Oh, thank you,
Hindi ko
Spike.
lang doon. Dito ko lang. Ito ang rumble nito. Aray! Sakit naman yan.
When
Then,
you
ito,
Shark Teeth
ano
how to be friends, the mysterious beyond will be as nice as the great valley.
Tapos, sunod na to ay ito. Ay, nag-lake ko. Ito ako dito ng gunting ko. Yung dalakin.
Anyone Chopper? I've looked everywhere I can see.
Ay, ito. Ay, ganyan.
Anywhere. You left the great
Ito
giving
yung
early.
isang fish ko. Ito yung
Something
hippo.
about teaching Shark Teeth how to be
Hippo.
friends. Shark Teeth?
Ito yung ito yung mga notebook niya.
Me neither. We better find him fast. How are we gonna do that? We
Here.
can sniff for him. Spike planted me with his sniffer.
Ito na yung ipet. Ito yung ano. Tapos ito naman ang ang paganda. Pen ko. Hey guys, tingnan nyo na. Teka. Ito na. Pag yung ginawa ko.
Your sniffer knows.
Nanap ko po yan. Hinihintay namin yung lahat. Itong mga libre sa akin. Kahit binibigay. So, okay. So guys, bye-bye. Magtingin ulit kayo sa part 1. Sa part 2. Dahil may isa pa akong gagawin.